A family plumbing business turning grit into a $10 million empire, a Wisconsin trenchless leader redefining pipe bursting, and VR training revolutionizing HDD. The April 2025 issue of Cleaner magazine has it all. But first, a word from our sponsor. Grease, sludge, ice, whatever's clogging that pipe, the BossJet Max brings the heat. With 4,000 psi, 22 gallons per minute, and a 500-gallon tank, this hot water jetter melts through the toughest blockages. Twin gas engines mean serious power without diesel costs. See why pros are making the switch. Check it out at amazingmachinery.com. Mario Morario could have taken the easy road. Instead, he transformed his family's plumbing business into a $10 million powerhouse. Smart branding, bold moves, and a whole lot of grit got him there. Oh, and there's a links involved. Get the full story. Pipe bursting changed everything for this Wisconsin contractor. Now, Scott Lamer's Construction is the go-to name in trenchless repair. How did they turn a smart move into a thriving operation? And what's keeping them ahead? Find out why open cut is the last resort in the Fox Valley. Strap on a headset and start drilling without breaking ground. Southeast Connections is using VR goggles to train HDD operators like airline pilots. It's safer, faster, and keeps costly mistakes off the job site. Want to grow your business 30% faster? Put a plan on paper. Too many sewer and drain pros are flying blind with no clear goals. If your business plan is collecting dust, it's time to fix that. Lugging heavy water heaters upstairs? That's a back injury waiting to happen. Velocity Plumbing and Heating is working smarter, not harder, with lift gates and stair climbing hand trucks that make tough jobs safer and more efficient. No Dig North 2025 is where trenchless pros push the industry forward. From HDD and CIPP breakthroughs to sustainability wins, this event is a must-attend if you're doing trenchless north of the border. Whether you're cutting reinforced concrete, trenching in rocky soil, or boosting hydro-excavation performance, these tools keep you moving. Thanks for watching, and thanks for reading Cleaner Magazine. See you next month.